a tutti. Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name's Francesco, and as you may know, I'm Sicilian, but I was born in England. So one of my memories from growing up would be that when people would come home from school or from work and wanted a quick meal, they would make baked beans on toast. And I never could stand that. The beans were just in an awful artificial sauce, the bread was floppy, it was just not the best thing. I'm going to show you how you can do something much better. It's going to be like baked beans for grown-ups. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with some good bread, and it's best to use stale bread for this. What it's going to be is like a luxury bruschetta if you want. So I'm going to squash the bread in a griddle pan, and the beans I'm going to flavour with some onion, some sun-dried tomatoes, a little bit of thyme, and a hint of garlic, which I'm going to rub on the bread, just like when you make a real bruschetta. I'm going to top the bread with some rucola, and then the hot beans, a little bit of parmesan cheese, some lemon zest, and some good extra virgin olive oil. So that's going to be a real gourmet version. It's going to be equally quick because it's going to be using canned beans as well. I'm just going to show you how you can make something so much better for the same price and really enjoy your food more. If you like this recipe, please give me that thumbs up, click on the link down below and follow me for more. Let's cook. For today's recipe you are going to need a couple of slices of stale bread, a can of borlotti beans, a little lemon zest, rucola, parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes, onion, fresh chili, garlic, fresh thyme, and some good extra virgin olive oil.